Why is the page layout of your website important? A pretty page layout is not necessarily what draws readers to read the content. When laying out the page, consider the reader and what makes him want to read your content. Organizing the content in perfect paragraphs, giving a neat, clean, justified structure, is not what will inspire the reader. Why doesn't it inspire the reader? What is the reason for readers not reading the great content you have published on your website? The answer is, readers don't read. Reasons why readers don't read. Eurocent readers don't have the time to plow through a great amount of content. There is so much great content available on internet. There is also a lot of not so great content. In this fast-paced, highly competitive world of today, there isn't time to spend reading irrelevant articles. Eurocent in the world of instant access and immediate satisfaction, a reader's attention span is short. There isn't time to linger missing the next trend, the new product or gadget. If the article doesn't grab the reader's attention immediately, he moves on to the next website. If he lingers long enough to read the first line, he will skim through the article to decide if it is worth his while to read the content in detail. Eurocent many readers want to find the information or solution by skimming the content. If the reader is forced to read cumbersome articles or long paragraphs to find the information, he loses interest and moves on. Is page layout the solution? How do you solve the problem and ensure that readers will read your great content? How can you change your page layout to entice readers into reading and lingering on your website? Here are 5 steps how to improve the page layout of your website. A Eurocent heading. Choosing the right heading is probably the most important step. An appealing title catches the reader's attention and motivates him to read further. Include keywords that the reader would use to search for specific content in the title. This allows search engines to pick up your content when specific keywords are used during searches. A Eurocent subheadings. When skimming an article, the subheadings play an important role. Along with the title of the article, the subheadings should indicate in an appealing manner what the following content will be about, without giving up the mystery, the solution, the secret of the content. A Eurocent white space. The best way to guide the reader when reading content is white space and blank lines between paragraphs. This assists the reader in following your argument and suggestions laid out in the article without missing a step or important information. A Eurocent short paragraphs. By keeping the paragraph content short, the reader is enticed into reading the whole paragraph. Clear indications of where paragraphs begin and end makes reading easier. Short paragraphs motivate readers to read all the content in that paragraph in contrast to skimming the first few words or sentence. A Eurocent lists and bullet points. Lists and bullet points are great tools to use to display content in a neat, easy readable way. By breaking up the content, it is easier to read and at the same time gives the reader a better idea of the detail of specific points made or explained. If your great content is not getting the attention from readers it deserves, then perhaps it is time to consider revising your page layout.